I don't know. You better open it. Can you open it for me? What's in there? Just throw the bags on the floor. I'll clean them up later. That's Daddy's packing job.
Heat wave.
Heat wave. Naughty Daddy.
He got heat wave.
What else did Daddy buy?
Airplane.
Yeah.
Well, where's Blades?
Where's Blades?
Yes, whoa. How does he make that form?
I don't know. We'll have to open them. What else is in the box? We'll look at Heatwave in a second. Let's see what else is in the box. What's that? That's a barrel of monkeys. What else is in there?
We got fish.
Yeah, Fish Out of Water.
We got
That's a good book.
Hey, what was that library? And they said the one.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, it lights. It turns and lights up, Mom. It turns into light.
Weren't you just telling me today you needed more candy?
Yeah.
There's candy in the bottom of that. We'll see what else is in the box and then we'll open it. What else did Daddy do? A round bouncy ball.
There, bouncy ball.
Did you see who was on that bouncy ball?
Later.
You made her? Oh!
Get it, Mom.
I will in a minute.
What's in here?
Let's not worry about the candy. What else is in the box?
I wish you
Okay, let's look in the box.
Can I set this here?
Yeah. Okay, what's in the box?
Car.
What else?
And cars. Car. And car.
Another car.
And cars.
What is this? What is this? It's a shirt for Hayden.
What is this?
It's just a bag.
Can I draw it?
Sure. And what's that? Is that a bracelet?
Is that a bracelet, Mom?
Yeah. That might be for Mommy, but you can wear it. What do you tell Daddy?
Well, thank you.
Look at the camera and tell Daddy.
Thank you for sending stuff to us.
And tell.
Love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye, Daddy. Say miss you.
Miss you. Love you. I kiss you.
Oh, bye, Daddy.